It's the holy month of Ramadan, a time when mosques open their doors
وَأَنَّ الَّذِينَ لَا يُؤْمِنُونَ بِالْآخِرَةِ أَعْتَدْنَا لَهُمْ عَذَابًا أَلِيمًا. الله أكبر. سمع الله لمن حمده. الله أكبر.
Yeah, first day of Ramadan. We just finished Taraweeh. Chilly things, bruv. Chilly things. Yeah, I don't know about this vlogging daily thing, but we're gonna try. I wish there was some clouds so I can time lapse this. I'm trying to find a bloody documentary of this kid. There he is. Look at him. An absolute amazing. Alright guys, so we've successfully caught Billy. Billy, if you can see, he's blue. He's got a little blue bit on him. That is fascinating. Honestly. Look, he's brushing himself. Giving himself a little bath. Alright Billy, get out of here, come on.
I'm dead.
I should constantly hold the camera.
Yeah, my arms are too small.
Yeah.
It's like here.
Alright guys, we're just exiting the library now. I'm here with the little one and yeah, just exiting the library. Very good vlog today, thank you guys for watching. This is a nice bit of scenery.
Alright, in a bit.
See ya.
Well, we don't usually do vlogs. Don't think I've ever done a vlog before. Of this magnitude. People are looking at me like, he is a weird one. But I don't mind. Well, that was weird in the least racist way. It was a black woman driving that car. And I couldn't see it, so it looked like the car was just driving itself. Well, there we are. You know, the thing about the first day of Ramadan is that everyone says that it's hard, but I always find it okay, alhamdulillah. I never ever find it hard. I don't know why. Always the first day is probably the easiest. Well, I woke up, first thing I woke up, I was starving, but to be honest, as the day goes on, I could go another day, and I've been laughing. I'm quickly trying to rush off to this bridge I know just down the road because the sunset view that you can get from that is honestly, it's incredible. I missed it. So that's the problem with having to be home at Maghrib and trying to get the sunset. It's one or the other. Unless I get a non-Muslim friend to record the sunset for me, but I don't have any friends.